Hey guys, my name is Laser and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be playing some more Bee Storm Simulator. Why is my jump button not working? Okay, there it is. It's lagging a bit. But I am on the 13th quest for brown bear at the moment. I've been doing some off camera. And this one is called Red Cocoa Mush. So I have to get some from the coconut field, which is really dangerous. I've done this before, but it wasn't as much for brown bear. Ow, 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 ow. No, 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 no. It was only like 40,000 last time. This time it's 190,000. Which is dangerous. Leave. No. No, 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 no. I have to get this. So I can get a new quest. It's going to be a little while though, like another 45 minutes until I get the new quest. But yeah, red pollen, coconut field, and mushroom field. Mushroom's gonna be easy, red pollen's gonna be easy. It's just the coconut that I'm struggling a bit with. But imagine if this was your first quest from Brown Bear, and you had like 2 bees or 3 bees, and then it's like, hey, get 35 bees, and then get into the coconut field. You would literally just be stuck in your quest menu forever. Or at least until you... Oh my god, that's so hard to do. Wait, if I just get it... Come on, a little bit more. No! No. Oh my... That just looks so creepy. Why does that always happen when I'm doing coconut field stuff? Coconut field. Made nearly 60 million today. So that's good. Oh, the booster is going to be over in a little bit, so I'm going to be normal again. Oh, no I'm not. Where's my head gone? It just dropped there somewhere. Oh, there it is. What? If my bees move. There's my head. Right down there. So now if I take the red cannon, I just need a little bit more. Just a tiny, teensy little bit more. Oh, come on, please, like 20,000 more. Not even that much, like only a little bit, please. I'll go here and then start going to the right from here. Oh, no, 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 this is not good. Oh, I hardly got any that time. Oh, I think it's because I couldn't use my dipper, because I didn't have it. But I've got to get this little tiny bit. I didn't think it would take me this long just to get a bit of coconut field pollen. Fire the red cannon one more time, hopefully, just this last time. This last time. Please just be one more time. I just need to get a little tiny bit more. Get it, get it, get it. Yes, completed. I got hurt a little bit, but it's completed for the coconut part. Don't need to go there anymore. All I need to go to is the mushroom field, which is way more safe. So I'll just travel over here, get some mushroom field pollen. Also, I went from 20 to 25 because if you complete quests and get microconverters, it actually lets you have them. But if you try and pick it up from a token, it doesn't let you have them. So yeah, we're just going to get a bit more mushroom and red pollen. Oh, I want that Tabby Love, please. Tabby Love, boom. Now I've got 858. It's really good Tabby pollen. Tabby Love amount. Just a bit more red pollen. And then we'll be good to go. We are good to go now. Ding. Where's the ding? Where's the ding? There's the ding. Well, my ding. There was a ding before that, but that's my ding. Brown beer or red cocoa mush is completed. Let's go. Hello, brown beer. Come on. Talk to brown beer. Great job, bud. Here's some royal jelly. You've completed 13 of my quests so far. Complete 2 more and I'll give you 5 field dice. And if you complete 12 more, I'll give you a silver egg. I haven't quite finished preparing the next quest for you. Check back in with me in 51 minutes and 20 seconds and we'll be ready to roll. Yes. How many tickets do I have exactly? 857, okay. Also, if you're wondering why I hardly have any gumdrops at all anymore, I've only got 719. The reason for that is, I will show you soon. The reason is because I am trying to craft glue. I'm doing 9 out of 15 at the moment for the gummy mask. Yes, I am going to try, because all the other masks it's like 5 diamond eggs or 500 stingers, and I don't really want to do that, so I think I could way more easily do like those oils and blue and red extracts and things like that. We'll just go over there right now to check exactly how much it is. And also I can get my 3 glues from the glue dispenser. After I go here, because I want to go here first. Because here gets me things, gets me royal jellies. And royal jellies can be turned into glitter, star jellies and things like that. Why no, I can do glitter. Yeah. Wait, can it? No. Yeah, no, it can't. But it can turn into star jellies, which can eventually get 25 to do the spirit petal, petal belt. That might be the second thing I'm gonna save up for. Gummy Bee wants gumdrops. I'm in the gummy land. If I walk up here, but not too close, because I don't want to get dead by that gummy bear over there in the top right. So 250 glues. I right now have 114. 100 enzymes, I've got 52 enzymes. 100 oils, I've got 43 oils. And 100 glitter, I've got 38 glitter. And then 5 billion honey. I think I could actually, no joke, do this. And it would be really good for gummy morph and all the goo conversion and everything. Nope, not do that. Nope, get away from me. So it's not red or blue extracts, it's just this. I am not doing this. That's 300 glitter, 300 red and blue, and 999. Plus 100 billion? No. 5 billion's okay. This might take a bit of a while. This would probably be okay. This would probably be okay. And then this will also take a bit of a while. So that's what I'm going to try to do. Not in this episode, obviously. It's going to take multiple episodes. But I will try to eventually get all of that. I got 3 glues, so now I've got 117. And the unlimited gumdrops duration thingy. Do I need gumdrop? Do I need goo for anything? Checked. Goo from Dandelion, okay. I'll just turn it on to auto on at the moment. And then I can put down a sprinkler. Another sprinkler. And then a final sprinkler down there. So, do this for 3 minutes. How much do I need? 15 million. I've got 3 million, nearly 4 million. Okay. Oh, I need that. Yes. Ba-doom. Get all that goo. Get all that goo. Get all of that goo. Okay. Ethan's here. Okay. So I'll just do this for a little bit. Do this for a little bit. I'll see that Ethan's right there. So yeah, another like 2 minutes, isn't it? 1 minute 20 seconds. Okay. Ethan saying, can you call me? Ghostly says no. I'll say soon. I just don't want to waste this goo. Not you, I don't even know you. Okay. So I'll just get a little bit of this done. Now I've got into the 4 million, so I might get to 5 million. There's only 36 seconds left. I'm gonna play Adopt Me. Yeah, I'm gonna make an Adopt Me video after this as well. Lol, okay. Ghostly said I'm crying. You hurt his feelings, and you're laughing at me. I'm sorry. This is so awkward. And I'm gonna turn auto off, or auto on off, because it's all done now. And yeah. Okay guys, so I'm going to just quickly defeat the Tunnel Bear. Ethan is here, say hello. Ethan is here, say hello.
Hi.
Hello. Can you speak a bit louder? No one can hear you. I have a nickname for you. Gay bitch. Okay.
Yeah,
That's mean.
name.
That's mean, Ethan. That's super mean.
I know.
You've just
So
been
that's
making this guy
right,
feel so bad. This guy feels so bad. You've just been making him feel so bad. Like, oh, why would I want to call you? You're horrible. You're,
No, I
you
said,
know.
why would I want to call you? I don't even know you. And then everyone like, you're so mean. So I decided just to be
And then he
mean.
said that he does know you in real life, so is it like, it might be someone that we know.
No, I don't know him in real life. He just said that. And I was like, wait, you're the person that I know. You're nobody.
Imagine it's someone like George.
No, George has another account that I know of.
Yeah, I know, but what if he has a new account as well?
He never was really into Beastform, but okay, if he likes Beastform now.
Yeah, I definitely wouldn't think that he would, because how would he already have the gummy mask and everything? He's got a gummy mask on.
Before us.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, I'm actually gonna be saving up for the gummy mask. Is that you there? Yep, you're on top of the star hole. Hello.
Yeah, I don't have anything to... Oh, actually, I should do my... Oh, and actually, I was wrong. You have more than me, because I haven't been focusing on them.
The what? Brown bear?
You've done more...
More brown bears. Ethan?
Yeah, why are you focusing on Brown Bear?
Because I want to get things like silver, gold, diamond, and things like that, eggs. It's not like they're hard anyways.
I mean, I can now. I only did it constantly for the first day, up to 7. Now I'm on my 8.
Oh, I'm on I've done 13. I'm waiting for 14.
But just imagine...
They're really
a noob,
easy though.
their first quest.
I know.
Solo Coco.
Another one that I just got as my 13th one was red. It was like red cocoa mush. So it's red pollen, mushy room, and coconut. It was 190,000 coconut.
You're going to Pineapple.
Oh yeah, I should do. Wait, what is my science beer close? I think my science beer is actually close.
I need festive gifts.
I'm closer. Oh, yay me! I'm gonna save up all my glue. The quest: use all of your glue.
Oh yes, that's the same for me. I need to save my red extracts. The quest I'm on for not Mother Bear.
Mother Bear?
Yes, Mother Bear.
Yes, Mother Bear's got a new quest line where you just waste all your ingredients.
Yes. No, Spirit Bear's like, use 10 of extracts when you're trying to save up the Cobalt Guard.
Yeah, but that's for donation, so you'd get
Crimson.
things back. For me, I have to use 10 red extracts, and, like, using them, like, to get the boosts, and blue extracts 10, and 10 glue.
Haha.
Somehow I'm closer to things like focus tokens than I am to things like pineapple patch pollen.
You know, George from your class last year?
George Manson, yeah? Oh, I'll pause. Okay,
Maybe
so...
Mountain Top and sunflowers.
Okay, I need to do pumpkin patch pollen, so I'm just going to be in the pumpkin patch for a little bit. Oh, I should get a pumpkin patch boost, or at least try to.
Same. I'm still on Pumpkin Please apparently now.
Yes, I'm on pumpkins,
Get the
please.
star jelly. Like, I'm on Pumpkin Please.
I'm on
It's
pumpkin.
so hard.
I'm on pumpkins, please, for the test round.
Yeah, same.
Ah, same.
That's what I'm
Well, obviously, why did I say
so?
Yes, that makes total sense. Me, I'm on pumpkins, please. You, same. Me, same. Like, you did not already know that. You did not already know that. You did not already know that, Ethan.
Yeah, like, I didn't know you're on it twice.
Okay, I'm going up to... Oh, is that you? Are you in Mountain?
No.
Oh. Am I? Yeah, it's the Kindy Roasted.
Gumdrops are horrible to donate unless you get the thing goes.
Sometimes you get
thrown up
glue.
and your goo badge
Oh,
slithers.
okay. No, I'm going pineapple because I need sunflower, pineapple, and pumpkin. I was doing pumpkin, but I'm switching to pineapple because I've got a boost for it. So, like, no duh.
I need pumpkin, mushroom.
Ethan, the smartest person in B-Swarm gets a boost for everything in the whole game except for example, mushroom. Him. Let's do mushroom.
I know, like, that's the smartest person I'd probably know.
Obviously.
Like, that's probably even me.
Yep. Why is this field so big? I mean,
No,
it's
actually,
good to
it's
be
probably
big,
more
but
like
then...
this. I need mushroom 100 times for everything that's not mushroom.
Yes. But dude, those, for the boost market, those are so expensive. One time I checked and
I
it was
know,
like...
they're-
One time I checked and for Pineapple Patch, it was like 40 billion.
I know, I watched on Banksy's
Yes,
video.
yep, I
getting
saw
the
it.
50th high slot at like
Yeah,
5 a.m.
I saw that this morning.
And then I saw Pineapple Boost number 3, like, I don't know, it was like 68 million.
I know, it was so expensive. Like, dude, why?
Like, F off, I think I'm gonna stick with the cheap ones. Wait, they're like in the 1 billions too.
I know, I'm literally going to check right now how much the cheapest one is. It's probably going to be like 1 billion. Which I can afford. Which I can afford, but like, why would I want to?
I know.
I am better off just rolling the
because
dice and doing the boosts in the red HQ and blue HQ.
I preferred it when it first came out. And it
Oh,
was like
okay, that reminded me.
Oh my god!
Thank you so
30
much.
trillion.
What? Are you actually checking right now? I was gonna check.
Yes, there's not 13 trillion. Sorry, never mind. It's just 13 billion. I
Oh.
thought I saw something else.
Okay,
It's gone
don't tell
down
me,
a
don't
lot.
tell me, don't tell me. I wanna just check for myself, since I'm already here anyways. I'm gonna check the highest and the lowest. Don't tell me though. Okay, the highest is
What the?
13 billion. You were right, 13 billion for
I can't even
coconut.
afford the lowest one.
Can't you? No. The lowest one is... Oh my god, I can't either. Strawberry is 1.3 billion.
I've only got 1.08.
I've got 1.2. I need another 100,000. And then that's all my honey gone.
That's for a boost. Be like 50 million.
I know, right? Like, not worth it at all. Absolutely not worth
Can't
it.
you hear it? It's screaming, baby, I'm worth it.
Baby, I'm worth it.
Oh, I'm getting what you need. I just got pineapple times 2.
I got pineapple times 2. Smash it together and it's pineapple times 5. I mean, pineapple times 4.
You're so smart, Thomas.
I told you I'm not good
You
at
should
maths.
move to my maths class.
I told you I'm not good at maths. Yes, pineapple times 2 plus pineapple times 2
I think you're
equals
better than me.
pineapple times 5. Yes, queen.
Well, you should have seen. What the?
What happened?
A captured chick. Had a captured chick.
What? You
No,
captured
a hostage chick. No, so I killed the werewolf.
Yes.
I get a hostage chick, and then the hostage chick has a hostage chick.
That is impossible to happen. Maybe someone else was there and killing theirs as well.
No, because I'm by myself.
Well, it's impossible to
outside
happen.
werewolf come up
Chicks
and
can't
be
drop
like,
other...
no.
Chicks can't spawn other chicks. Or else it'd be too sexy. So yeah, oh, hello. Yay! Oh, that's taking me back to... Remember episode 21 of Beastorm when you're like, I really need those moon charms? When it's finally coming to Spider? No, wait! And it started leaving. That just happened to me. They just landed, and then they're like, nope, psych. Good thing I don't need them. If I needed them, I'd be more annoyed. I was just gonna get them just cause. No, my battery pack's full.
I need those charms, but I didn't even try to get them because I'm like, you know what?
Okay, my backpack's full, or about to be full. It's full now. Pollen container full. Go to your hive to make honey. Pollen container full. Go to your hive to make honey. Pollen container full. Go to your hive to make honey. You want pumpkin?
Yep.
But I want pumpkin.
Clover. Rose.
Oh, we need that rose up in here.
Pine tree, we've got like everything in the 15 area apart from
All you need is...
Clover times 2.
Just get cactus. If you get cactus, you're literally getting all of them except for pumpkin in the 15 area. If you get cactus.
Mountains.
Yes.
Bamboo. No, pineapple times 3.
I need pineapple. That would make pineapple times 5 for real.
Pine tree times 2.
Yay.
Oh my god, bamboo times 2. Appreciated.
Is that all your field dice?
Strawberry.
Oh, strawberry.
Yeah. Coconut. Like, I need that urgently. Dandelion.
You said you did need it for your brown beer. Oh, mine was 190,000. Oh, field dice. I'm just gonna use this because, like, why not? Oh, I don't even think I picked it up because I had a full inventory, but I had a field dice from Cup Buddy.
Times 4.
If I'm gonna roll 1 field dice, and if I get pineapple, you should literally just quit the game.
Coconut.
I mean, pumpkin, sorry, pumpkin. Oh, I got strawberry.
Times 5.
I got strawberry. I was just quickly using that, because imagine me doesn't need pumpkin at the moment, because I'm doing this one. Me uses 1, pumpkin.
Stump. Yay, and that's all of them gone.
Is that literally all of them gone?
Yes, I got 5. Your frickin'
Yay! I love that. Amazing. Speak up, Ethan. What?
Me, when I need pineapple, it's not gonna come because, like, you don't need it anymore. Like, you should have just taken your chances when you didn't need it.
I know, right?
Oh, get the pollens that run away and fuzzy balls. Oh, it's just scared.
Oh. Earlier today, I had a really insane sunflower field because of in the test server because of my fuzzy bees and everything. It was basically like all of it was star pollen.
I would hope to be getting a gifted, which I aren't, which is sad because I really need a gifted like fuzz.
If I do get a star treat with using my tickets, I probably will use it on Fuzzy Bee. But the only thing I'm worrying about is because I've noticed that we have not had an event bee in a while. So I'm wondering if he's going to be like, event bee as soon as you use all your tickets.
No, I don't think he will. I think the next thing he's working on is in the 5th bee.
Yeah.
All crappy gifts from me.
I really wish... Do you rather him to focus on things that he's been saying recently, like, hey, I'm going to do the 5th Mythic Bee, hey, I'm going to do more things like backpack space and everything? Or would you rather him, like, this is what I would rather him do, go back to things like the Robo Challenge and the Lid and Gummy Bear? Things like that he said, hey, I'm going to do it. Psych.
I know, that's what he's going to do. I don't think he's going to do another...
The lid has been one of the huge mysteries in the whole game. Just, why is there just a stupid lid there? For decoration, did you say?
It's decoration.
Yeah, it's for decoration, yo.
That's what Onet's basically saying.
I'm going to go to Brown Bear because I think mine's ready soon. It's not ready yet, but it's ready soon. I'll just check exactly when. Maybe like 5 minutes? 5 minutes, I think.
One ready for him.
5 minutes.
Like, off.
Oh! Me, 5 minutes, it. Check back with me in 22 minutes. And we'll be good to go.
Oh, that's like pretty soon.
It's another 22 minutes. Why is it going to take that long? I've been doing it every hour on the hour. And it's 1:56.
I feel like I'm getting way too many tickets than I should.
Okay.
When I do the freaking little one, it's 5 tickets. When I
Tickets
do the
are
one
good.
in the sprinkler shop, 10 tickets.
Tickets are good.
I know, but
Hostage chick. Hello, yo. I'm gonna pause the video for a second. Okay, I'm starting to record again. Okay. So. Yes. Okay, I think I'm gonna end this video here now, Ethan. Oh, you're in the stump field. Are you? Is that you? Or is that not you? No, that's not you. That's definitely not you.
Was that you, me? No!
So, if you guys enjoyed this video, then please be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the like button as hard as you can. I have so much fun making these videos, and I hope you do as well for enjoying these. So, goodbye.